Good morning students. I am Mrs. Ramnath Tilagam, social science teacher in Gandhinagar, 7th day Adventist School. I hope you all attended the last week social science class. Now we will see the continuation of the history first lesson. Today our topic is prehistory from Australopithecus through Homo erectus to Homo sapiens.
First, we want to understand the topic clearly. Prehistory means before history. It was a period of time before written records. Then the other word is Australopithecus. In Latin it means southern apes. Australop means in Latin southern. In Greek, Pithecus means ape. So a creature living in Africa millions of years ago that could walk on 2 feet and that had characteristic of both ape and human. Then the next word is Homo erectus. Homo means man, erectus means upright. Homo erectus means a extinct species of primitive man able to walk upright. Then the last word is Homo sapiens. They are wise man or modern human. Let's move to the paragraph. Human evolution and migration. The chimpanzees, gorillas and orangutans along with the human are collectively called the great apes. Among them, the chimpanzee is genetically the closest to humans. It means the human DNA is very close to chimpanzee's DNA. The ancestor to human were called homines and their origins have been traced in Africa. The ancestor to human called homines, the evidence for their origins have been traced in Africa. They evolved from those origins and then began to move to other parts of the world in due course of time. So the peoples move one places to another places. The homines emerged around 7 to 5 million years ago. The skeleton of Australopithecus, one of the earliest species of this tribe, have been found in Africa. The skeleton of Australopithecus found in Africa. The Great Rift Valley in Africa has many sites that have evidence for the prehistoric periods. In this site means where the historic or the important event took place. The Great Rift Valley is a valley-like formation that runs from about 6,400 km from the northern part of Siberia to central Mozambique in East Africa. This geographical feature is visible even from the face and many prehistoric sites are found in Eastern Africa also. So some other prehistoric sites are found in Eastern Africa. Human ancestors are divided into various species according to their physical features. Human ancestors are divided into various species according to their physical features. Hominid refers to all the species of the modern and extant great apes, which also including humans. It means Hominid means these are the great apes. Then Hominids refers to the close relative to the human ancestor and their sister species including Homo sapiens and the extinct modern of Homo neanderthalis, Homo erectus and Homo habeas, and the various species of Australopithecus. Humans are the only living species of this tribe. So among these, human only living in the form of tribe. Tribe in the sense a group of people that have the same language and custom and that have a leader also. They stand around, walk with 2 legs and have large brains. They can use tools and few of them can communicate it excluding the gorillas. So the human beings have started to walk straight and they are having a large brain. Homo habeas were the earliest known human ancestor to make tools in Africa about 2.6 years ago. The Homo habeas means the earliest human ancestor who lived 2.6 million years ago. They used tools also. The Homo habeas made hand axe for the hunting purpose and some other various part of the Asia and Africa. They are lived. Around 2 million years ago, the species of Homo erectus emerged. These species have hand axes between 2 and 1 million years ago. They began to spread various parts of Asia and Africa in time. Anatomically, modern humans called Homo sapiens. So, Homo sapiens is called the direct ancestor of modern humans. They first appeared around 3 lakh years ago in Africa. It is believed that these modern humans eventually migrated and dispersed into the various parts of the world from around years ago. Prehistoric culture. Prehistoric culture does not have evidence of written. Prehistoric culture is already we see that the prehistoric does not have the written evidence. While the fossil bones are classified as various pieces such as Homo habeas, Homo erectus and Neanderthals, based on the lithic stones, lithic in the sense stones, lithic tools, culture and assessment names such as earliest lithic assemblages, Oregon's technology over lower middle and upper Paleolithic and the Mesolithic cultures. So the earliest lithic assemblage of human ancestors were used tools and some other weapons. Some of the tools are found in Africa. Assemblage means a collection of things or peoples. Ornaments, it is widespread tools or stones. Then the next topic is earliest lithic assemblage of human ancestor. The earliest tools made by human ancestor are found in Kenya. They are dated to 3.3 million ago. Orangutan tools occur in a Olduvai Gorge in Africa. They are 2 to 2.6 million years old. The human ancestors used hammer stones and produced sharp-edged flakes. The tools were used for cutting, slicing and processing food. So some of the earliest assemblage human ancestors were used tools for some other purpose. They are using the tools for cutting their foods and slicing some of the fruits and the other processes. Okay, I hope you understand. We will meet the next social class. Thank you.